Friends, hello, I hope you're well. This is going to be a touchy subject because we're going to talk about Ride here, and we're going to make this short and sweet, and I'm really not even going to make a sales pitch on the stock, but I will say this, that obviously I have made a few videos in the past about Lordstown Motors here. Long ago, before this even had an IPO, I was investing in the basic stock before it merged into Lordstown Motors here. I bought the stock very cheap. Within 4 to 5 months of holding that, I sold the stock for about like $25, $28 a share. Made a ton of money on it. Did me well. So I got out because there was a lot of controversial issues going on with the stock, what was going on with it. There was actually like a lot of YouTubers getting in trouble because people were getting so mad because the stock was taking such a hit. And I wasn't even really talking about it then. I don't think I had a YouTube channel at that point. But here's what I'm going to say. A lot of people have been asking me, what am I buying right now? What are things I'm buying? First and foremost, one thing that I am buying is Cardano. I've been buying ADA for a lot here. I buy it every week. Every time it dips, I buy it. If there's a new dip, I go, hey, here's 20, here's $50, here's $5, whatever. I just buy it. But obviously, with a lot of EV stocks, there's a lot of EV stocks to choose from right now. And I'm just giving you my mindset here. I've been watching this new EV world take over in the stock market. And obviously, there's a lot to choose from. Obviously, Tesla being the top dog. And, Tesla and Ford are kind of at a war right now. And more than that, it's really just like Elon Musk and Joe Biden supporting Ford and just putting Ford on a pedestal, and that's one thing that's been driving up the stock. But also Ford has been killing it, that with their new truck, their sales, everything, they've been doing good. But with all these EV companies, I'm really looking at this, I'm going like, okay, what's the underdog here? What is something that's taking? I love a comeback story. I love an underdog here, and what's something that just a lot of people or the critics are saying this is not going to happen. It's not going to make it. It's obviously Lordstown, because they have been taking a lot of, the stories are endless about stuff that's been supposedly going on, but, the company started, then the pandemic happened, and this is still a very growing company. This is a very new company, new stock, everything. So I look at this and I go like, what do people want here? Are you expecting this to be Tesla? It's not. Look how long Tesla took to become Tesla. So with saying this, I look at Lordstown and I look at what they're giving right now to customers with their truck, with what they have planned for the future. I have seen their facilities in person. This is a real life breathing company that is really started from the ground up. Do we know that they're going to make it 100%? We don't. We really don't. But just like anything else in the stock market, we have to take chances. So even seeing this go down more than what we have already, I am still going to buy shares of this, because I'm looking at this. If this survives at least, another year over $1, we'll be fine. I'm fine with that, because I believe it's going to be a year before we see this market somewhat rebound. It could be even longer than that. We could be in this for quite a bit of more time. So friends, I'm going to start to talk about Ride here a lot more. I know this is a stock that has burned a lot of people, that a lot of people don't believe in, a lot of people do believe in. And, this is just what I'm doing. I'm not telling people to pour massive amounts of money in this. I'm trying to be transparent here and tell you, hey, I'm taking a chance on this again. I'm going to go for it. I'm not expecting this to go up anytime soon. This is a 5 to 10 year investment that I am relying on right now. Obviously, sooner the better. 5-10 years down the line, this thing has, as a company, gotten on its own 4 wheels here. Maybe by the time we're even talking about a dividend, and the stock has turned out to be something healthy. So friends, that's what I'm looking at. I'm not trying to make this into a quick flip or, even a 3-month holder and then sell it for more. That's not what this plan is. That's not what this is going to be. It's just not going to be that. This is going to be a buy and hold, wait for a while situation. So if you're here for a quick flip, this is probably not the play for you. This is going to be a long, drawn out, up and down situation for quite some time. I really do believe that, until we start to see this company bring in a lot of revenue and get to where they can compete with the EV market a lot more. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish all of you the best of luck. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in the future of yours, friends. I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.